Heavyweights customs. Yeah. Heavyweights sound got the whole lane knocking up. 6.5, sing while the 6x9's dropping. Yeah. Built in the shop, everywhere getting right. Highway loud, still clean every night. Yeah. Full package bills, yeah, we don't cut corners. DSP tone, bring the sound of life proper. A2B lock, yeah, the signal stay clear. From the lows to the highs, every note hit here. Corner of a bars, while I ride through the set. 2 in 1 bark, yeah, you hear that breath. Cover seat, lay back in control. Heavyweights customs, yeah, we run the sound game, no cap. Heavyweights customs, built different, installed different.
What's good with your boy, Heavyweights Customs? So this is the video I've been wanting to do right here. This is a 2016 Road Glide. So those who don't know, you got this generation of Road Glides that's basically 2014 to 2023. And what we're doing with this is you have to flash the bikes. So I got my cousin on the camera, State Raised Wayne. Y'all see him on my Instagram videos. I want to show you guys something real quick. So basically on these bikes, I'll actually turn it on for you. So come forward real quick. So these stereos, can you see it on the camera? Okay, so these stereos have what is called a hidden EQ curve on these bikes. So back when I used to live in LA, a lot of the guys I was riding with, they had these bikes hooked up with this music, and it sounded cool, it was hitting until you get to certain volumes and the volume starts like speakers start popping. And I know a lot of people back then, they was going through speakers like crazy. And it sucks because to this day, I'll have people hitting me up like, oh, what happens if I blow out a speaker? What happens is, with Heavyweights Customs, you're not gonna blow out no speakers whatsoever. I got bikes I done did years ago, 2-3 years ago, and they're still out there hitting. They done been sitting in the rain and everything else. But that's because I do the proper procedures necessary to get this music hitting the way it's supposed to and sounding the way it's supposed to. And that sometimes that has to do with this software right here. So when you hook up these radios right here, you go to settings, all you have is bass and treble. That's it. So I don't care what kind of system you run in here. I don't care what kind of products you run in here. Unless you get that EQ curve flattened, it's not gonna sound right. And then to do that, you have to flash the bike. You have to flash the radio. So I'll come back over here to the whiteboard real quick. So let's just say hypothetically, this is a hidden EQ on the bike, because those who do know audio, whether you're on the car stereo, whatever it is, this is your levels. You got everything from your lows to your mids to your highs. And that's how it usually goes, right, cameraman? Make sure you're showing this at the same time so you can see it, okay? So basically, with the hidden EQ curve, this is something how it'll be. Why is it like that? I don't know. Now, is it exactly like that? No, I'm just showing you guys a sample of what's hidden on the back of these bikes that you can't get to off that screen whatsoever. So once you flash the bikes over, once you flatten the EQ curve, it'll be like all your levels go flat. Now, exactly, again, this is not 100% where it's going to be at. They might go, you don't see the EQ curve, but what I'm trying to say is you'll flatten it. Okay, so the volume's on right now.
When you're hiring, have you ever felt like you're missing out on meeting truly great candidates for your roles? It seems impossible to find them. They have to be out there somewhere, right? Well, they're not hard to find when you know where to go. And that place is ZipRecruiter. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter helps 10 million people with their job search every day. And because these people are actively looking for jobs just like yours, it's easy to find the right person right away. In fact, 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. But if you're not using ZipRecruiter, you're missing out. So see what it's like when the impossible is easy. When you go to ZipRecruiter.com.
Okay, so basically what you guys just saw right now and heard is the radio drop completely on volume like that. Again, go back here to this whiteboard. Let's just say that this is what the EQ was before. Again, this is hidden. You'll never see this on your screen. But let's say that it was hidden. this is what it would look like. Your levels just up all over the place and everything like that. That's how Harley has it set. They want it set to where, okay, if you want to get your music done, you need to come to the Harley dealership so we can touch your music. But with this flash tool from Techno Research, this is how we're allowed to level it down, lower your levels exactly how I want to. And then now, I can install my music. So as I flashed it, look where the volume's at now. Same spot where it just was, but it lowered it down completely. So now I install my DSP, I install my music, my sound system the way I want to, do what I gotta do, hook up my DSP, tune it on the computer, and we're good to go. Right here, you see it's going setting. It'll say pass in a little bit. Once it says pass, same thing with the ignition. You're gonna let it reset for 13 seconds, and now he'll have CarPlay on his radio. But again, when you use this flash software, this is exactly what is needed to get the exact audio that you want for your bike. So again, show them right here. See how it says pass? So we're gonna do the ignition one more time. Okay, so we already counted all the seconds. We did what we had to do on that. So that's completely done now. So now this bike is completely, it has CarPlay on it. It's completely flashed over, as you heard when the music went from to boom. It dropped very low. So now I'm able to do what I got to do with my music. I'm able to get the customer in, get him out now without any issues. And again, like I said, back in LA, when I grew up out there, at least, a lot of people, that they had their music knocking. But the minute they started turning up the volume past certain levels, speakers started to distort, speakers are blowing out, voice coils are burning. You can smell it sometimes. This is how you get around that. You can have the best equipment in the world, but if you're not flashing these bikes, specifically the 14s to the 23s, you're gonna keep on blowing out your stuff every single time. So once again, it's your boy Heavyweights Customs. Appreciate y'all for looking out. Stay tuned, we're gonna get more videos coming in. Again, Heavyweights Customs is what we do, baby, all day, every day. Much love.
Yeah. Heavyweights Customs. Yeah. Heavyweights sound got the whole lane knocking up. 6.5, sing while the 6x9's dropping. Yeah. Built in the shop, everywhere getting right. Highway loud, still clean every night. Yeah. Full package bills, yeah, we don't cut corners. DSP tone, bring the sound of life proper. A2B lock, yeah, the signal stay clear. From the lows to the highs, every note hit here. Corner of a bar, while I ride through the set. 2 in 1 bark, yeah, you hear that breath. Carpet seat, lay back in control. Heavyweights Customs, yeah, we run the sound game, no cap. Heavyweights Customs, built different, installed different.